ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ. Now I hope you realize why Anup sang that song. He's trying to make his debut as a singer in Telugu. So this is the best stage for the auditioning. And I hope Mr. Nagarjun sir is impressed. So yes sir, he's a good singer, so I recommend him, sir. Let me start my today's little lines, what I want to speak. My first ever Telugu film that I saw was Ramudu Bhimudu, because that is the time my uncle had bought a television. And to see what is a television, I had traveled all the way from Bangalore to Hyderabad, because nobody had seen a television so far. And I didn't even know Telugu, but I just sat from morning in front of the television with all the Doordarshan, everything going, and then this film started. And that's my first film on television, officially. My first ever Telugu film in theater was Shiva. So that is the gap I have had, not because we were unaware, but we were unaware of the language. And why I'm telling this also, I'll tell you, you should know, sir, that we were youngsters, we were in school. Nothing was driving us to go to theaters at that particular time. And that time we heard a film called Shiva is Coming, and that was making a lot of noise. And I still remember, sir, I didn't understand anything, but we went almost 3 shows in just 2 days, just to see him pulling that chain. And we never knew that cycle chain could be used to hit somebody till then, sir. We never knew, sir. We only knew cycle chain breaks, we go to the cycle shop. And that became a style. So we used to go to cycle shops just to get chains after that to keep in our bags, just to scare people. So we have a long way, and coming back today to be standing next to you on this same stage, and with one phone call, I want all of you to know, we have not officially met, sir. We were all traveling. But one phone call and Nagarjun sir is here today. So sir, thank you so much. We have loved your work. And more than anything, I personally love you as a human you are, and I'll always admire you for that, sir. Thank you so much. That's a very genuine smiler. By the way, I do not know how many heroines would have fallen in love with him for this smile. We only as men keep looking at him all the time. So yes, thank you, sir. Thank you for gracing this occasion. And yes, Hyderabad has had a, forgive me for speaking in English because I want to speak little fluently. As long as the dubbing is concerned, I do it very fluently in Telugu, but not otherwise. For some reason, Vikrant Rona has been well attached with Hyderabad, for the mere reason that about 60, 65 to 70% of the film we have shot here. And about 90% of that 70% is shot in Annapurna Studios. We were literally there living, and it's not something easy that at a time of COVID, they accommodated such a huge mammoth team of about 500, 600 people, because anything little going wrong, the studio also would have shut for a very long time. But they made that facility. And for the first time, all the 7 acres would belong to us. Nobody came there. Not even the owners, not even the staff. Very few staff come, open the gate, and they run away. So we were there. But what a place, what a vibe. I think wherever we work and there are good people with good intention, only good things happen. For example, many films started after seeing us, but they locked down because of some few cases of COVID coming in. But at the studio, we shot almost 3 months, not a single case, not a single case. There was a huge blessing on the team from the nature, time, and all the elders. So, and all you people who supported us from Hyderabad, all the technicians, all the crew, thank you for that. I really have to talk about those few people who are not here. I'll start with my art director, Shivu, who's a magician for this film. Without him, I don't think Anup could have done anything close to what he had visualized. Because a man of his ability, honesty, and dedication was required on set to pull off such huge sets with the budgets we had. And Ajanish, for the music he has given, I think he's carried the film 10 bounds up. And William, I think he's been a magician again to deliver that lighting, to bring that vision and the visuals to life. And more than anything, my dear brother and my friend, Manju, I call him Jack. Without him, I don't think even this stage would have been laid. We all dream about a film, right? We all dream, but I think just as actors, as technicians, this we cannot come forward. Manju, wherever you are, we miss you here on the stage, and I think we'll party soon. So I want to say that, and Vijay Master, Johnny, to all the people and the crew members, our Bharat and team, direction team, all of you people have worked very hard. Thank you. And you little one, thank you for this wonderful dubbing you've done. Media has always been good, kind, and all you sweet people who came there for me, whistling and all, clapping, thank you so much. All right. No, it is a very beautiful thing because today when we are crossing boundaries and going everywhere to showcase our films, that the warm welcome what you people show across states is very important for a storyteller. It isn't, we'll see about how big the film becomes later. It is very important for the warmth, just like how when you people come there to Karnataka, we want to step out and welcome other films speaking Kannada. And like that, you people have always welcomed every language to come and speak in Telugu. Thank you for that. And Shastri Garu, why do you write so well? No, seriously, I don't know. I don't know what to say.
It's his habit, sir. Yeah.
No, he writes so well that I feel jealous when he's writing for others. Just when we feel that our film in Telugu is sounding so beautifully, there's another Kannada film which comes sounding better than us, sir. So I think, sir, you should go on a good leave after this film so that this song stays for a long time. Thank you for this wonderful anchoring, ma'am. And once again, Vikrant Rona. As a team, we promise one of the best 3D experiences ever on screen. Thanks to the 3D team and the VFXs for having brought it to life. And from the team of Coffee and Bun, we have the world's first NFT premiere happening tomorrow, all languages at Dubai. So right now from here, we are flying to Bangalore. We have an event there and immediately flying to Dubai for that event. Thank you all, love you all. And every time I've come here, whether it is Iga, or whether it is Bahubali, that small role, or whether it is Saira, every time you people have given me so much of respect, love. I carry that home all the time. That is the only reason I get scared to talk in Telugu, because I don't want to do mistakes. I still have trouble speaking, and you won't believe, there's one more thing I should say. After Iga released, Sir was the first person to call me when I was at Bangalore. He called me through Rockline, sir, and he gave me the phone. So beautiful, I still feel. You people have always made me feel very beautiful within as an actor. Thank you so much for that. And please, on July 28th, the film is releasing all over in 3D as well as 2D. Please watch. And Shreyas Media, wherever your people are, thank you so much for this wonderful organizations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I'll speak the same lines, okay? All right. ಗರ 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 ಗಗ್ಗರ ಜರ್ಬ ಪಿರನಲ್ ಕುರಿ ನೆತ್ತರ ಪರ್ಬ.
Thank you. Though you're unable to speak Telugu, on stage you're dubbing in your voice the films. Thank you. Thank you so much for that.